Oh, Jesus. They're going to bring the ladder truck over. Oh, my God.
Oh, you may not be able to.
You can't get out.
OMG.
You can't get out because you can't get out the door.
Oh, Jesus. They're going to bring the ladder truck over. Oh, my God.
Damn, I was going to get an apartment over there, too.
Not now.
They're cheaper now.
Yeah, pull that one.
Wow.
Pull this one up right here.
right here?
Yeah, that one.
You can feel the heat.
There you go.
This the freaking ledge. Look at this. Oh, my God.
Where?
Do they see him?
Where is it?
Oh, my Jesus. Oh, my God.
Is that a construction guy?
Yeah. He was inside there. Do they freaking...
Unbelievable.
Oh, my God.
Hurry up.
Oh,
hurry
God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, my God.
up. Keep going. Keep going.
Oh.
Look at the glass melting up there. On the window melting.
They need to get him. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Oh, God.
Get closer to him.
Hell, he can jump from there. I mean, good grief.
I'd be jumping, man.
They need to move that truck up. Oh, my God.
I don't know why they're not evacuating.
I think that we probably should be going.
That's time to evacuate, I guess.
Just jump for it, man.
Hell yes. Oh, thank Jesus. Thank you, God. Oh, my God. Oh, no, my God. Oh.
Hey, what about this guy? What about this guy?
They got him.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, it's
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, did you hear he?
I think it's time for us to go.